I'm on like a fairly steep hill here. Now look what happens if I let go of my brake. I'm gonna roll back. Uh-oh. But that's okay, because we know what to do in the situation. Put our right foot on the foot brake, like so. Pull in the clutch so bike's not going anywhere. Look, bike's not going anywhere. I can do that. It is my turn to go. I'm going to ever so gently release my foot from the foot brake as I give it throttle and release the clutch slowly. Release the foot brake a little bit on the throttle, and a little bit of the clutch. 3, 2, 1. And that's what it looks like. So easy. You don't have to panic when you're on a hill. You really don't have to panic.